Hello everyone. Okay, today I'm going to grow maple pea, which is the easiest and the basic of gardening. If you're a fresh learner, you can grab some seed from your local nursery or go Google and find where to buy the maple pea seeds. So over here actually I have some expired seed which was bought during 2019, and yeah, I found them recently at my storage area, and I don't know when I bought it, but I still have this fella. So it's about 2 kg, and I'm going to show hand everything. Yeah, right now because it's old already and so-called super expired seed, so some of them actually break into half, and I don't know whether they will survive or not. So right now it's 2022, so we will need to just hand pick the best seeds. Yeah, those half one I will discard them lah. Also give me some moment, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So I have filtered the impurity, and yeah, as in those dry skin or half pea, yeah, and I have end up with this. Yeah, so what I'm going to do next is to transfer them into a container so I can wash them, rinse them. So you can see as the process, they come down and they bang on each other, they came into half again. So later on during the rinsing, I expect more half pea over here. So you can see they are all over here is in a dehydrated form. That's why they are very chewy one. So when you want to handle them, be extra careful and make sure you choke the fella. If not, you'll choke your own drainage. Okay, so just rinse them lah, like how you wash your rice. Because over here, during the storage from the farm, it might be months. Yeah, and when they harvest those, they could be, you know, some other thing like dust, soil. So rinse them off. You see all the dry pea one have float up already. So rinse them like how you wash the rice. Okay. So you might see some powder. I think for this batch is quite good. Not much powder. Just to remove as much impurity as possible, dust, etc. Then from here, normally I will be careful a bit. I would just hand pick them again. Don't tell me how much I hand pick. There are a lot. So as to make sure that they are okay to go ahead for the growing. and some more. Remove those second half of them, so during the growing process, right, they won't get rot and attract unwanted pests like mold, fruit fly, and etc. Okay, I will be back again. Okay, so as you hand pick them, be as gentle as possible because they are so-called old seed already and might be crispy. So over here are the strainer which I used, so you can see properly whether the skin broke off or the pea go in the half. So normally until here I will wash them, rinse them one more time in case got any other thing. Of course, if you are getting a fresh one, don't need to do this way lah. But I'm more kiasu. Yeah, see, so many spoiled one. Okay, these are the final round. So I have add on more member over here, and they will be heading into my compost later. So once you ensure all of them are in good shape, you can proceed to soak them for the next 8 to 10 hours. So I learned in the bad way before. I soak them in a very small container like a bowl for 8 to 10 hours. Then the result is not that good. Why? Because during the soaking they will expand. So you see this small piece is about 3 mm to 2 mm. Yeah, so after soaking they will expand. So expand until maybe twice the size. So during this procedure you can find another better container like this. You disinfect them from first before you do anything, meaning you go through with hot water first. Make sure all the bacteria, everything is not there. Oh, I got a hole over here. I don't know why. I don't know when got a hole. Okay, so this can I use already. So let's see whether this tray can hold water or not. Okay, no leak, right? If there's no leak, it means I can proceed to use this tray as it is to soak my tomiao, the maple pea. Oh, I got one more broken out. Okay, that's about it. So just pour them off first one more time. Okay, once you are done coating, so spread them evenly as the water go in. This tray has been reused for quite a number of time already. So since we know they will bloat out 2 times their size, so the water, you cannot be stingy. You will need to fill slightly above more. Yeah, like this will do. Also, you see the water is pure. Those floating out one is believed to be not the good seed. but I believe they are okay. So nature are very interesting. Sometimes you feel that they are not okay, but they are okay. Sometimes you feel that they're okay, they might not be okay. Okay, so the source of this maple pea is from Australia, if I'm not wrong, and I bought from 2019 during the circuit breaker. Yeah, and distribute some to my neighbor, my friends. They want to grow, and I don't know why. Yeah, I found them at my storage. Yeah, so today I decided to bring up and attempt to grow. Okay, so the time now is what time? 4 p.m. So 4 p.m. plus 10 hours, how much? 2 a.m. Okay, never mind. 2 a.m. then 2 a.m. You see, Yeah, I confirm 2 a.m. Now no wrong. So no choice lah. Later on, 2 a.m. I come back again, and we will see the result. So hopefully, I won't wake up my parents and my neighbor. Yeah. So meanwhile, I will be out to prepare my seeding tray for the baby over here. So hopefully by 7 to 8 days, we can see a good result. So meanwhile, they are soaking, they are drinking the water. If you can see any seed expanding, normally they will go into half already. See, expanded and half already. So it's a bad seed. Okay, come, let's go out to my from my house, and I will show you how I plant the fella. Let's go. Alright everyone, okay, welcome back. So this is my planting bed for the seed earlier on. So you can go to your nearest market to buy this, and don't look at my tummy, I know it's very big. Okay, so when you bring back, make sure you have some holes you can poke with anything sharp. But children, if you want to try this, please call your mommy or your papa to do it. Don't do it alone. Okay, it's very dangerous. So make some holes for drainage. So this will be the entire growing pot, or whatever we call that, I don't know. Okay, so what normally I would do is I will use compost only for them. So to make the thing not that messy, make sure try and wear a mask, okay, and glove if possible. Okay, so when you are preparing your growing medium or your growing space, try and find a tray and put this on top. Why? Because here go holes, right? As you put in your soil, some soil might just go below, so it's very common. So do not make a mess on the table. Later on you will have a hard time, you know, cleaning up. Okay, especially for children. Okay, so you can use a random soil. So for this, I'm using a compost. So you see, recommended for home edible garden. Grow your own and eat healthier. Yeah. Also, you can just go and buy from the nursery and compost like this. Got some roots made of food scrap, mostly vegetable, dry bark, etc. And show the process. If you want to know the process, go and Google. There's a lot of video on composting for commercial. Okay, so make sure you thoroughly clear all the mess inside, especially if you are recycling your old tray like this. Also for maple pea, bean sprout, tom yum, you don't need to fill up until so big. Just maybe 1 cm will do. So for children, try and use your glove and hand dig up your soil and put inside. Okay. And once you are done, wash your hands, of course. So agak-agak lah, estimate the depth will do. Alternative, if you want to be cleaner, you can use the kitchen towel. I tried before using the bonsai draw, also works. Kitchen towel also works. So if you don't want to use compost, you can try other soil. It also works, but then the depth don't be too deep lah. Also about 1 cm will do. Come down. So lightly tap them. You can feel whether they are even or not. So you don't need any fertilizer, but got stone, remove them. Okay, so I will pause or stop the video from now. So later on, 10 hours later, 2 AM, I will transplant the pea right over here. Yeah, and yeah, maybe for this video I will snitch the video together, so will become one entire episode. Okay, so do remember to subscribe again, and I will see you later. Okay, so by the way, you can see below, some of the soil actually spill out, but it's normal, never mind one. And this is cleaner. Also, I'll leave the tray as it is, and I'll see you on the next continuous video. Right, bye bye. I'll see you later.